Uncrewed aircraft are getting bigger and bigger, and the aircraft behind me is one of the biggest coaxial quadcopters in the world. This is Air's heavy-lift uncrewed aircraft, designed for logistics use cases. The purpose of this aircraft is to take about 550 pounds of cargo, take off vertically, and deliver it from point A to point B. The typical use cases for this are contested logistics, resupplying remote areas, continuous resupply, and really to open up different routes that were previously inaccessible or uneconomical for traditional logistic use cases. So this aircraft is fully functioning aircraft. It's fully electric, so it just takes off vertical and then flies like an airplane. It can take 550 pounds of payload. That's quite a lot of food, water, and anything you can imagine. You just open the hood, put it inside, and secure it down, and the aircraft just takes off vertically and then flies off to the distance to its destination. The cargo bay is about 7 feet deep and about 4 feet high. So it has 8 motors, so it's got 2 motors on each arm, so that's for redundancy. And so if one motor, for any reason, would encounter an issue, then the other motor will counterbalance it, and the aircraft will continue to fly normally. Another thing to highlight on this aircraft is its flight control system. So the aircraft essentially is always flying itself and maintaining its safe flight envelope. So the operator or pilot is simply just telling the aircraft their intention or where they want it to fly, and then the aircraft is making those power adjustments automatically. So it's always essentially in a safety net within its safe flight envelope. The battery is also redundant as well. There's redundancy there, there's redundancy in the flight computer. So the aircraft itself as a system has a lot of redundancies coupled by its simple design. There's only 8 parts in the aircraft that move, and those are the 8 motors. Everything else in the aircraft is static. So the design of the aircraft is very simple. The flight control is very simple. The idea here is really just to open up more routes, more use cases, and to make continuous logistics available in more areas. So that's what we're doing here with Air. This is one of a few aircraft that we have so far produced and are delivering to customers. This year we're going to be delivering about 20 more, and next year quite a bit more than that. So stay tuned and make sure to follow us.